Wait,
correctly.
am I live now? I think I'm live. Check.
Oh wait, yeah, I got it. I got it. I see.
Am I live? Alright, ping everyone in server.
Wait. Can you adjust the size of the stream so that it doesn't show the link when
What?
you're
Wait,
on?
which link? Okay. I see what you mean. So like,
Also, your mic is like really bad. All
what?
of a sudden,
It's
you might have selected the wrong mic or something.
okay. Wait a minute.
And also, wait, make it so that you can't see the display. You can't see OBS.
Okay. Just gotta remove the OBS real quick. Window capture.
You know, your OBS mic is really good, but like your Discord is.
Oh wait. So my OBS mic is fine, right? Okay, that's all that matters, right?
Wait, sorry, I muted you to see the stream. Wait, what did you say?
That's all that matters, right? Like,
Wait, just check your Discord mic. Like your current mic is fine, but not your Discord mic.
wait a second. I gotta fix the stream real quick. The stream is cooked.
Wait, why did the stream become black? Hello,
Wait.
Jason, hello.
Hello?
Wait, check your Discord mic. You might have selected the wrong mic in Discord.
Okay, bet. Is this fine? Check.
It sounds like kind of weird.
Oh, check the stream.
Hold on, wait. I have to mute you. Hold on. I'll be back in a second.
Okay. Testing.
Wait, Jason. Go to OBS and then go to OBS. Go to OBS.
Yes, I'm at OBS.
And then right click your wait, press the three dots on your mic.
Okay.
On the audio mixer. Press the three dots.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
press filters.
Wait, filters? Okay.
Filters. Not
Alright.
this.
It's loading. Wait, no, dude, I don't have any filters. Alright, what
And
else?
press plus. Press the plus.
Okay.
And then press noise suppression. And then choose RNN noise.
Okay. Close. Should be found for my CPU, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. And then okay. Um okay, now go to scene. Go to scene.
See, my bad.
And then wait, like go to OBS.
Yeah, I'm on OBS.
And then press plus on the scenes.
Okay. Done.
And then
Hmm?
hold on. I'm waiting for the stream to update.
Bro, what? Wait a second.
Wait, press OK. Press OK.
Okay, I press okay.
And then for that one, do an in the like the wait, what is it called again? In the sources, do a plus and then do an image and then do the image that I sent you, like the first thumbnail
That,
with like the question marks.
that.
And then add a text and then make it say starting soon in black.
Meow.
And then tell me once you're done with that.
Wait, so how do I add text?
Do the wait. Did you add the image?
Yes.
Okay. Now wait. Make it like full to your screen. Actually, no. Make it like fit. Make the entire thing be visible.
Bet.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. And then in the sources, do another plus, and then do text. And then in the text box, just write starting soon, dot dot dot, and then scroll down and then choose make color 1 and color 2 both black.
What font?
It doesn't matter. Helvetica, I don't know.
Both black? Okay. Wait, both black is not very good.
Huh?
Both black does not work very well.
Just do both black, cause like otherwise it's gonna be like all white. And just put it in the center where it's like put it on the center.
Smaller?
Yeah, put it in the center.
Alright, that works.
Or like it's visible. Make it smaller. Wait, hold on, I'm waiting for the stream to update.
Wait, why is it like laggy, basically? How bad is the delay?
It's not that bad. It's like 30 seconds.
Okay,
Not 20 seconds.
that's fine.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay. And then okay, yeah, that's good. Okay. I'm gonna make it public now, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Alright.
Are you live?
Yeah.
Like wait like 5 seconds before giving like the intro. There's only like
Huh?
okay.
No, don't start yet. Hold on.
Hello, everybody. Today, we will be showing you the best robots that people have designed over the past week. And starting off, this is robot number 1.
Okay, so this is by Atticus, and it's a modded bend lip robot. We actually made a video about this like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Basically, the wheels, I think they can like pick up the pins directly.
Yeah, I think that this robot is very, very effective, especially for early season, as it could just make 3 stacks extremely fast. It may be even faster than a conveyor. What are your thoughts on this,
Yeah,
Alex?
I mean, I think it's really good, especially with the 4 bar. The motor distributions are also pretty good, but I'm wondering like if you can join like the wheels together, because right now the wheels are like separate. So maybe if you chain them together or gear them together, it would be faster. So what do you think, Atticus?
I'm pretty sure if you did that, they would be spinning in opposite directions, so it just wouldn't spin at all.
I think,
Well, I mean,
yeah,
you can put the gears in like even numbers,
yeah, this is a gearbox.
or you can chain them together.
Yep.
Okay. The main issue with it is the spacing at the front. On the CAD, you're gonna see those like 160 wheels. They're not meant to be that. They're meant to be the balloon wheels. Because otherwise, if you just use these, the pin would just fall out and it wouldn't work. So you need to change those to balloon wheels. And on the actual 4 bar, we're meant to change the beams. So the top beam should be a 14, and then the 2 bottom beams should both be 13s. And then other than that, I mean, should work.
I agree.
All right, let's head to the SpeedCAD judging document.
Okay. All right. So, I think the build quality is quite well built. It's lightweight and it's easy and simple. But right now, wrong robot. Right now, one major problem I see with the robot is this. I think that like this triangle brace might be a bit low. What do you think, Alex?
Yeah, it might be a bit too low, and also, um, like all of your weight is at the front, so there could be like more weight in the back. For example, like
Yeah.
you could change this to like a double reverse 4 bar, which would make the weight distribution better, and also maybe like uh wheels in the front that would like stop it from tipping forward.
And especially since when you're picking up the pins are actually quite heavy. So if you have 3 pins and you lift it up, the robot's gonna like tilt a lot. So
Yeah,
I think
so
for build quality,
okay,
we'll give it 7 points.
yeah, 7 points.
Okay,
So it's gonna be 7 points.
okay. Uniqueness. Okay, so yeah, 2 points, 2 to 3 points, 3 points, I think.
I'll give it 3 points because it's basically like just a bend lipper copy and like a stem star hole count. So yeah, 3 points. But it's not like a direct full count, so I think
Yeah.
3 points is pretty fair.
Scoring, hmm,
I think it'll score pretty efficiently, but the thing is that it can't really score on beams.
yeah,
Yeah, so I mean, in the season, this is still really good, but like I think let's give it 5 points.
yeah, I agree, 5 points. No, it can't score
And
beams.
score beams, yeah, no.
Yes, I think
Nah.
like this looks like it can score 10 goals.
Yeah, but I think it does have a bit of inefficiency.
Yeah.
because it's not double reverse 4-bar, it's just a 4-bar, so it won't be able to score 3 stacks or like stacks that are higher. So I'm gonna give it, I'll give it 4 points because the 4-bar isn't really that long.
Yeah. I mean, technically, this could stack pins on beams. Technically.
Yeah.
But
Wait, no, it can't because it doesn't have like a
Flippy.
flip mech for
Alright,
all the
yeah.
pins. Yeah, so 3 points.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, let's ask the chat now.
Do you want to paint or should I?
Okay, guys,
Right, chat.
score 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
Make a poll.
No. Okay, wait, hold on.
Wait, just make a poll. You don't have to, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm making one right now.
Good boy.
Alright, I started it. Alright, guys, vote.
Me personally, I think this deserves a solid 8.
I mean, I think it won't need to go like below 5, but because it's kind of slow at scoring, since it's only 1 stack at a time, like we're gonna see like 2 stacks at a time later, as well as like in our soon to come videos. So like I'm gonna say a 6.
Mm,
Wait, Jason, pull up the stream on your phone and
I am. Currently, it looks like the server does not really like Atticus. And the score is currently 3 to 5 points. Atticus, you need more Riz if you want to actually be better at this.
but I think he left already.
Oh, 1 point. So right now it's 60% for 3 to 5.
Alright. Yeah, 3 to 5. Okay.
So
Now
4 points. 3 points, okay, sure.
oh wait, hold on. No. Okay.
Yeah, so 3 to 5 1.
3,
So
4, 5. Now they have to choose 3, 4, or 5.
yeah. Me personally, I think this deserves a solid 5.
Alright. I think most people are choosing 5, so yeah, we're gonna give it a 5.
That
5 points.
which brings a total to I low-key have no idea.
Hold on. 15 plus 6 plus 8. And that's crazy, bro. Wait, did I do this correctly? Oh, plus 7.
What'd you get?
You got 34 points. Wow.
That's very good. 34 out of 70.
Alright. Let's go to bot 2.
This brings the average to an F if you're in rating systems.
Alright, let's go to 2. Bot 2.
Alright, bot numero 2. So, for this robot, it looks like it's a very simple double reverse 4-bar. But, however, it can score 2 stacks at a time, making it very fast on the competition field.
Yeah, I mean, we saw this double claw in 6699's video. We made a video about this. And double reverse 4-bar, the weight is pretty good, and also it can go really high. So if your teammate in qualifications has like a beam score, they can score on that standoff, and then you can score the rest. Or maybe you can just have a separate lift in the back, because I see that's a 4-motor drive, right?
Mm-hmm.
4-motor drive, so yeah, you can definitely have 2 motors in the back, just for lifting a beam up. So this could definitely get like a lot of high scores, but scoring on the beam, it's still pretty inefficient. Oh, but I do see, wait, go to the top of the clock. There's a gear, so it might be rotatable.
Oh
Yeah,
right, yeah. I think it's a linear. Wait, that's
that's
not a gear.
rotatable. It is, it is. It's a 24 tooth gear.
That's a gear.
Yeah.
This.
And also the funnels look pretty good too.
Oh, all right. Oh, right.
So
That's
you can
true.
just
Yeah. The entire
yeah,
clock can
and
rotate.
you can like, drive anywhere you want. So
So what I really like
you can
about
just
this,
drive anywhere you want and just start stacking. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And also on this model, the double reverse forward does not work. But I think yeah, it's already fixed. I have the fixed version. But yeah, I was just too lazy to upload it again. But how you fix it is you just add another gear in between the two 60 tooth gears on the bottom. So yeah.
one thing
All
I
right.
really
Let's
like.
go to the
One thing I like about
let's
this.
go to the
Okay.
document.
One thing I like
Wait,
about
just what were
this
you gonna say?
is the brains at the back, which means that the center of gravity it's very balanced because like everything else is on the front, and it's double reverse four bar, and the brains at the back, which means that the center of mass should be pretty much in the middle. Alright.
Yeah. All right. So build quality, I think there's not really any issues.
Which
Wait, this is glitches, I think.
are you glitch the pink one?
Yeah.
Right?
Build quality, I think there's not many issues
Yeah, build quality, not many
other than
issues.
the 4-bar thing.
Yeah.
Um,
But give it like a.
yeah. I mean, there definitely could be more bracing.
It needs some triangle bracing.
Like more bracing on the bottom, but I don't like the 4-bar is definitely really well braced. So yeah, that's an 8. That's an 8.
Yeah. And uniqueness,
Uniqueness.
I think it's like inspired by others. It's very similar, but it's not like a one-to-one copy. Because I haven't seen like a double reverse forward that does two at a time.
Yeah, yeah. All the double reverse 4-bars that I've seen are like 1 by 1.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think, but I mean, double reverse 4-bar it's not really a super good design, and it's also
It's
like
clunky.
really heavy and big. Yeah, for that. So I think 5 points is good.
Yeah, 5 points is good. And
Scoring efficiency.
I
I think
say it's like
scores
a 5.
consistent. I mean, I think it scores consistently, but like you do have to like go up and down every single time compared to Atticus's, like where you can just like run into it
Yeah.
or
But
like a conveyor.
it could score 2 at a time, 2 sets at a time for this one, which is really good.
Yeah, like I don't really think that has a lot of use other than the match load stations. But
Yeah.
once you get like, yeah. So I think
I think a 4 to 5.
yeah. Let's do a
4.
let's do a 5. Let's do
Okay,
5
sure.
points. Yeah.
It actually looks like it. I think it could score rings. I mean beams.
Wait, no, it can't though because it can stack pins on beams, but it can't like
Yeah.
put the beam. It doesn't have a claw specifically for the beam, so
All right, yeah.
yeah, 2 points.
Scores of samples, yes.
Yes.
It's quite good. Like it doesn't use any extra power.
Yeah, I think so. 9 points.
All right. Cannon stacks, yes. Yes, but it's the same speed as scoring, right? It's virtually the same. It all needs like one pneumatic twist.
Oh, but like the thing is that like you know how they do like 3 colored stacks, right? But
Yes.
he can't the bot can't really score more than 1 pin at a time. More than 1 stack. Oh no, more than 1 pin per stack at a time.
Oh right.
So that's
It's
kind of like
gonna fall out.
Yeah, so
It's
I
like a
think
6.
like it's not really that efficient, so I'll say 4 points.
Okay. So server's opinion. Now tell us what you think about this design and what score you believe it should get. Cool.
Alright guys, we're starting the poll right now.
Alright. Ooh.
To be honest, I think that it should be getting like somewhere between 3 or 5.
Mm-hmm. Currently it's tied between 5 to 8 and 9 to 10.
Yeah. Because the scoring isn't really that efficient. And if you're just relying on a claw to get those all of the stacks, like it's not really that consistent because you have to stack 13 to get the max score.
Yeah.
And if you don't stack that many, like especially like if it's 2 colored stacks, you won't get even more than like 200 points. So although it might be like good for non-competitive regions, looking at it from a competitive point of view, it's not really that like good.
Alright, bet.
Alright, I think most people are voting 5 to 8. So now we're gonna here's what the actual score is. So 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow.
Alright, you guys can vote now.
If Glitch actually had more Riz than Atticus, then he might take this home as a win.
Yeah.
But the problem is his current total is already higher than Atticus' total.
I mean, to be honest, Atticus could have gotten a lot higher score if he changed that to a double reverse 4-bar, because it would have improved his range of motion as well as improving his like the amount of pins it can stack on the standoff goal.
Yeah.
Alright, looks like we're at its high right now. So let's roll a dice, guys.
Alright. I put it Glitch. Do you want to put heads or tails? Glitch, if you're in the chat, do you want heads or tails?
Heads or tails? Oh wait, it's like delayed, I think.
Alright. It's delayed? Okay.
Heads. He said
Alright,
heads.
heads.
Alright, pull up a dude.
Our bet. Oh shoot, not a dice coin. Okay, are you ready? Oh, coin. Alright, the moment of truth now. And it is heads.
Hello,
Oh,
VEX IQ, rapid
so
with the
8
community.
points.
Yes, that's 8 points. Woo! Alright. 8 points.
Alright, let's add it together.
That's 41
8 plus
points.
5 plus 5.
Very good job, Glitch. You got very, very lucky.
Alright, 41. Oh wait, that's actually not that far off from Atticus.
That's a solid 8 points, 7 points ahead.
Yeah. Alright, let's go to bot 3. So I think this is Widge. Or I don't know how to say his name, but yeah.
Would just like W. Just... So I'm not too sure what's going on here.
I think it's a chain double reverse 4-bar. I don't know.
Oh right, yeah, it looks sort of like it. So I think this is like a plunger robot. You know? It's like a plunger robot that goes up and down, and I can see those flaps, and these flaps are what
Yeah,
picks
actually.
it up.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let's give him a chance to come on and explain.
Bet.
All right.
So what we got here is we got a double reverse chain bar, which is a new, never before seen lift type, and is not on Purdue Robotics. Trust me. And basically, it just works by having the chain act as a second bar. So it's like basically just a better 2-bar because it can pivot better.
Sick.
And then we got a 2-to-1 or 1-to-2 lift, so it'll lift like fast but still have enough torque. And then we have like the plunger thing, so that just goes on to like the things and it holds them in there with friction. And to score on the beams, it can rotate.
Mhm.
So you can score on the beams or you can score on the standoffs by just putting it on the standoff. Yeah, I didn't model the spacers there, but trust me, it's perfectly spaced.
I trust you, or do I?
Yeah, just trust me, trust me.
Trust me.
And the brain mount, very Sigma, and vertical motors,
Very Sigma.
very
dude.
Sigma.
I agree with this.
Um,
However, this
and
ball looks like it only uses 4 motors.
yeah, I could have power used the 4-motor lift, but also like 4-motor lift, who needs that?
Yeah, good
Yeah.
point.
Is that all, or do you have any more to say?
Any last
Nah,
words?
I like the flippy plunger.
All right,
Any last
thank you.
words? Oh, is he dead? All
All right, okay. So
So, my thoughts on this, it's like a chain bar, if you've seen it before,
yeah,
but it's like a double chain bar, so it's like a chain 4 bar. This design is
I mean,
pretty
and
unique.
also also the plunger. I mean, I'm not sure if it'll actually work, but I mean, it's definitely like a really good idea because you don't really need pneumatics, so it's gonna be good for teams that don't have access to them. And yeah, you
Mhm.
can save a whole motor on that.
Exactly. This is very passive
Yeah.
scoring. I think it might work if you try hard enough, but it's certainly a new idea that we have never seen before.
And yeah, also I really like the vertical motors.
Mhm.
It saves a lot of space. I mean, you could definitely just do it with normal motors, but how he mounts it looks really clean, and it looks like the motor will not fall off because IQ pins, they tend to fall off really easily, and also like the corner connector in the middle, yeah,
Oh, right.
looks
Those are motor caps.
yeah.
Okay,
I think it's 5 motors because you need 1 motor to do the rotation or
it's a piston, I think.
a
Like over
piston.
here,
All right,
you
yeah,
see like a linear slide.
yeah. So piston, and then wait. So that means that you have 2 motors left.
One motor, yeah, two
So
motor left. So it could be
so
used for
that could
that.
be used for yeah, or you could have like a lift in the back to put like a beam clamp or something there.
Oh, right, yeah. A lot
Yeah.
could work on this robot.
Missed
Alright,
opportunity. All right.
that's the judging. Alright, which person thinking?
Build quality. I'm not really sure about this because it doesn't look like it's really been tested in person.
Um, yeah, but
Like any proof of concept, like all of this stuff is just new ideas, so definitely unique, but not really structurally stable.
yeah, I think like it might. I think it's quite stable though. Like even though there might be some issues. Wait, wrong one. Even though there might be some issues, it looks pretty stable. I think it's like a 4 points. What do you think?
Yeah, I think 4 points because
Yeah.
all right, uniqueness.
It's definitely
I
very
really
unique.
yeah, it's very, very unique.
I think he might have earned the 2 extra bonus points, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but like we don't really have any video proof or anything that like it actually works. So if you do have a video that the plunger works, you can send it to us.
Like right now.
For now, I think
Yeah.
10 points.
10 points, definitely 10 points.
First 10 points of the video.
Wow. Good job.
Yeah.
Alright,
Scoring efficiency. Alright. I think we kind of have to guess here, but
Yes, very yes. I mean, definitely there is gonna be some mistake, so it's definitely not 9 to 10.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like maybe like a get in there. It seems like it could score very nicely, but there is some inefficiencies.
Yeah.
So what score do you think should fit?
I'm gonna say 4 points because I mean it's only one like container for the pins, and we're not sure if like the plunger actually works or not. So yeah.
Yeah. So probably like a 5 or 7, 5 to 7.
Yeah, I think 4, maybe like 4 or 5.
Yeah, 5. 5 is fine. I think.
5 points.
Yeah.
And then I can score on beams. Let's see.
I don't think it could score
it-
beams. It could definitely score
yeah, I
on
can't.
beams though.
Actually, I don't know about that. Wait, okay, yeah. Score and standoff goal, I think
Yes. I think it should.
I can score efficiently. 9 points. And then stack pins on beams.
Yes. Yes, it could. Remember, like, there's a flippy thing.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna say 4 points because wait, go back to the model.
Alright, it just like falls out from the top.
Yeah, it doesn't really look like it's like being held in by anything. Oh, I think he did say that there was rubber bands, so there should be rubber bands around it.
Alright.
But I still don't know if that's gonna really work.
Mm.
So yeah, I think
Or it's fine.
I think 4 points.
Yeah.
Alright, server's opinion.
Alright.
Yo guys.
There will be a poll
Score.
coming very soon to something near you. You should hop on. Alright. So tell us what you think about this very cool bot. It is extremely unique, as I think. Wow, I think people are mainly voting 6, 7.
It's like tied right now.
Oh right. Oh damn. 9 to 10 is tied with 6 to 8. That's crazy. We might get our first 10 server votes if everyone votes for 9 to 10. But if everyone votes for 6 to 8 right now, then oh okay. Now the tide has turned.
Yeah. Alright.
So
I think 6 to 8 is correct. So
yeah, 6 to 8.
yeah,
Alright.
now we're gonna choose 6, 7, or 8.
Exactly. And if it's tied, remember, we are gonna do the coin flip.
Yes.
Ooh, looks like it's tied right now between 6 and 8. Oh no, 9 more. So yeah, I think it's the 8. Okay, yeah, it's definitely an 8. So server's opinion is 8 points. Which gives our total to Alex. What is the total?
Let's see, 4 plus 10 plus 5
Be
plus
the
2 plus
math
9 plus
slave.
Oh, 42 points.
Oh, well, wow. Wait, actually, whoa, that's crazy. 42 points.
That's crazy.
Whoa. No way he might actually win this. 42 points. Very good job, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, and now let's check bot number 4. So whose bot is this?
I think this is Stickbird's bot.
A stickbird bot. This robot looks like a double reverse 4-bar. But I wonder what was like the motivation to put the motors horizontal and not vertical. Because I feel like vertical
Alright,
will be a lot more stable.
I'll let him speak real
Alright.
quick.
Yeah, I basically just based this off my actual robot that I built. So I just copied it mostly. I put the motors right there because it was a very 24-hour build robot. Once we got access to a library with double reverse 4-bar, we copied it, put a 4-motor drive on it because we knew it would be very helpful for maneuvering around the field. 3-to-1 gear ratio on the double reverse 4-bar. I don't think it's meta, but
Yeah.
that was my first time catting, so I had fun.
Pretty good first cat.
I didn't know how to use pneumatics and stuff, but it was really good.
Only China appears to know how to use pneumatics in CAD right now. And some talented people.
Alright, so double reverse 4-bar gear ratio is
1 to 3.
oh, there's no gear.
There's. I mean,
Hold on.
there is.
Yeah, probably 1 to 3.
Yeah.
Oh, 6 wheels. That's like
It's not a line.
that's different.
I don't think it's a line.
I mean, I don't know what 6 wheels are for, but
It's like a
More
I-
traction, more
like
grips.
a lot of people start doing that. So
Well, the gears have like touched the ground.
I don't think the gears touch the ground. They don't look like it if you
Yeah,
look from the
they're not.
side.
They don't.
Okay, that's good. That's a 2.5
Yeah,
to 1 ratio powertrain.
Yeah, 5 to 2, 4-motor.
How
And then
well is like a brain mount? That's my question.
what?
How well is a brain mount? Because it's only mounted on one side.
Oh wait, that doesn't look really good.
It's not very
brain.
well. Oh, but I think the CPA over here.
Where?
Over here. Do you see it?
Oh, CPA.
So the brain might have some sag, but I don't think that has like any performance issues. Do you think so? Just like the build quality on the brain is not very good.
I mean,
But 6 wheels is pretty
I think
unique.
yeah. I mean, in VRC, a lot of teams use 6 wheels for more drift, so that could work. But I do see that there's only one claw. Looks like pneumatic powered.
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah, and
Ooh.
I don't think there's a flip either. So
Yeah, it's just rigidly attached to the mainframe.
there is a funnel, but there's kind of like a beam blocking. So if that beam was moved more back, it could definitely work.
Yeah.
Let's go to judging.
Our bad team member Stickbird.
Stickbird. Build quality. I think I'm gonna say
There's
5
definitely
points.
some issues.
Yeah, there are some issues.
Like the motor, this motor it could sometimes sag. So I think that if it was moved like if it was vertically mounted on this bar, it'll work a lot better. And this double 4-bar, it's not triangle braced. So I think that if you had a triangle brace, it will work a lot better.
So yeah, 4 points. And then uniqueness, I mean, it's not really that unique.
I think it's like a 7, I'd say, because 6-wheel drive is kind of uniquely IQs.
Oh yeah. All right. Let's just do 5 or 6.
Alright, yeah, 6.
Scoring efficiency. I think
I think,
um it's gonna be like a 5 because
yeah,
it
5.
kind of struggled. Can
Can
score beams? No.
wait, yes, wait a minute. It looks like the claw might actually be able to like grip the beams.
Oh.
Like this claw might be able to like grip the beams just like how it grips a pin.
Yeah, I might be able to.
Hmm. Sus. Alright, so think I think it'd be like a 5 then. Because it takes a long time and it still is a big trade-off from motor power and air. What do you think? Oops. Hello? Alright, so I think Alex might be dead. So I will take over this.
Can you hear me? Can you hear
Okay,
me?
oh,
Hello, hello,
okay.
hello, hello.
So Alex just resurrected. Oh no.
Alright, scores on the standoff goal. I think
Yes,
yeah, I
definitely.
can, but because it looks like it takes some time, so I'm gonna say
Still
8
5.
points.
Oh, 8 points, not bad. Can it
Can
stack on?
stack?
Yes, definitely.
No,
Wait, what?
it can't. It doesn't
Oh,
have a rotate.
oh right, I forgot. I can't.
Wait,
No.
double check.
Wait, let me check. Alright. Okay, yeah, I can't. Doesn't rotate. Okay,
Alright.
3 points.
And then server's opinion.
Alright, guys, you will now vote in the comments to see the points that you want to give this person. Will it be a 10 or will it be a 0? You decide the fate.
Alright, the poll is posted. Yeah, make sure to go and vote.
Currently, we have 1 to 3 points that's in the lead. Ooh, 5 and 7 is now tied with 1 to 3. But 1 to 3 is making a huge comeback, but 5 to 7 is tied once more. 5 to 7 takes the lead again, and now they are tied again, but 5 to 7 takes the lead with 40%. Everyone, make sure to vote to get your voice heard.
Yeah. Alright, looks like
Looks like it's saying
it's
5 to 7.
mostly 5-7, yeah.
Alright. Now vote between 5, 6, or 7. Alright. So this robot overall,
Definitely.
it's the first one that we've seen that can actually score beams. So this might be like very, very beneficial in strategy because Spock like stack beams on other pins and even put the beam on the ground roll. And if you
Yeah.
pair with like a robot that can stack pins on beams, it could have a very high teamwork score.
Alright, I think 5 is pretty obviously the answer here. So yeah, we can give that a 5 points.
Alright, Alex Math Slave, you now need to lock in and calculate the score.
That's 36 points.
Wow. Still beating Atticus. Looks like Atticus has no Riz. Alright,
Alright, let's see.
and now
Next one.
this is our last robot we will be reviewing today. Right?
Yeah, I think so.
Who is it by?
I LVDJ.
All right.
WDG.
So this looks like a 4-bar. I'm not.
Yeah, it's a 4-bar. It was meant to be a 2-motor lift, but I had issues putting the gears on. And also that little middle motor there, I thought I deleted that before I uploaded the file, but apparently I didn't click save.
Okay. So how does your
Okay, so
score?
this looks kind of unfinished. So like
Yeah, it's kind of unfinished. It was like my first time caddying, so I was pretty slow.
How would you like? What was your idea behind the bot?
So it was meant to be where you had like the wheels on the left and the wheels on the right, and then you had the wall in the middle, so you can do 2 stacks at a time. That's why there was the motor in the middle there. But then but then I realized that if you spun the motor one way, only one side would be able to be picked up, so you wouldn't be able to pick up 2 at a time. So
Oh,
then I deleted that, and there's meant to be like 2 wheels on the right, 2 wheels on the left, and a wall in the middle, so you can just drive into the pins and it would stack them.
right. That's
so like a double bend lipper.
Yeah, like a double bend lipper.
mhm.
All right.
It's
I'm
made
kind of concerned
exclusively
like
out
if
of capped pins. It's made exclusively out of capped pins.
That is very, very good. We love cat pins, as you can
yeah,
see from our name.
I'm kind of worried that like it'll be too wide, like over size limits because a
I
balloon
counted it.
wheel is like 3 holes,
Yeah,
4
I'm
holes.
not gonna. I wasn't gonna use the actual wheels. I was gonna use a sprocket with a rubber band
Ah,
with a few rubber bands wrapped around it, like a sprocket wheel. Like I think it was like the 16 or 20 or something tooth sprocket with rubber bands wrapped around it. That's like a smaller wheels on the sides, but still that you have enough grip.
all right. That sounds interesting.
All right.
Okay.
So is that all or
Yeah, that's all.
All right. So now we shall go to the judging board. Team member.
yeah? 5. All right.
All right.
So build quality, um, it doesn't look that good.
Yeah,
I think there's some structural issues.
I
The 4
think.
bar looks really long, and also the axles are like completely like, all the way through,
Yeah,
which
it's gonna
yeah,
bend.
it's gonna be bending a lot easier.
I think some ways to improve this robot structure is to first definitely sandwich the arms, and also like the triangle braced on the bar is not tall enough. There should be one that like stretches all the way to the bottom. And yeah,
Yeah, and also
mm,
it
I
doesn't
would,
look like there's that much bracing.
yeah. Though the braid mount does look secure. All right. I think I'll give this 3 points for build quality. Do you agree? All right. 3 points. And for uniqueness, if it was actually finished, we have never seen like a double bend liquid before, which means that it would have been the first two that we've ever seen, which the idea is definitely very unique, but however, it was not very finished. So I think the idea is unique, but we still have to subtract points for it being not finished.
Yeah, so It would be falling into the getting there category because it improves ideas from Ben Lipper. But I'm gonna say 4 points because
Yeah.
scoring efficiency.
If it actually worked, I think it'll be pretty efficient, especially since that it has two sides that it could go up. And if you just drive into one, it goes to either side, and you can create two stacks very quickly. But I'm not sure how often that will be used in an actual match.
Yeah. So I'm gonna say 4 points since it's not really finished.
Yeah.
And then
Can score beams?
can
No.
score beams? No, yeah.
Score the center hole?
Almost.
Yes. I mean,
I think I'm gonna give it 4 points
because
because
it's not finished CAD.
there's then can stack pins on beams? No.
No.
So 2 points.
Alright.
Alright, now server's opinion.
Now we want your opinion on what score that this team should get. Put your thoughts in the comments.
Oh, wait, go back to that, yeah. Alright, the poll has been started.
Alright. It looks like many people are voting for the 1 to 3 category. May we ask why? Leave your thoughts in the comments.
Alright. It looks like 1 to 3 is gonna take the lead, so
We will see if it's either 1, 2, or 3 now. But it would have been pretty funny if it got a 10. As Glitch
yeah.
says in the comments. It looks like many people are voting for 1.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
So that's 1 point.
1 point.
$21 points in total.
Yes. So now,
Alright. So we had 5 teams and
our winners are Glitch and Wizzy. With
Ridge.
Widge
I don't
winning
know
the
how to
first
say.
prize of a $30 gift card, and Glitch winning the second prize of a $15 gift card, right?
$10.
$10 gift card. All right. Now let's welcome Widge on for an interview about his robots. All right. We will give Widge speaker access to the stage if you would like to join.
Bro, why did Jason leave?
Oh, Jason's gone. There he is.
Okay, alright.
Alright.
Which one
I did
is
not
Widge?
expect to win that.
Yep, definitely not. Which bot is Widge? Is it bot 1, 2, or 3s?
I'm 3, I think.
3.
Alright, you're 3. Okay, bet. Alright, so it's this one. It's a very unique robot, as I would say. How did you come up with this?
So I just kind of heard the word funnel, and I didn't know what that meant, so I just kind of made a funnel.
Where have you seen like the
And
chain bar?
oh, the chain bar. The chain bar. I chose it because like everybody was doing a 4-bar or a double reverse 4-bar. So I just want to be different, and also I think chain bars probably gonna be better for than a 4-bar because like it's way simpler and it's easier to maintain. So you're just
Yeah.
gonna be able to build and like repair and everything way more easily. And also like chain bar just has aura.
I agree. Chain bar has more aura than a normal 4-bar. Do you think your plunger will actually work in a real game?
I think it would need some tweaks, but yeah, I think it could totally work.
Will you build it for your first swap?
Hmm?
Will you build this for your first robot?
Will you build this for your first mod?
I'm in V5.
Oh, same. Will you build this for your first pushback robot?
So I don't think this would be a great pushback bot.
Are
You know,
sure?
maybe turn it into a shooting bot and then turn pushback into a shooting game, and then it'll be peak.
Real. All right. Thanks for being here. You just won first place. That is very cool.
Woohoo!
All right. Now our second place bot is Glitch. Is he in the Discord stage?
Yeah.
All right. You may come and speak if you wish.
Hello.
Hello there.
I'm low-key kind of sad. Lost by 1 point, but it's whatever.
Yeah. I also lost like one green tea before, so it's fine.
Yeah. So,
I also lost by 1 point.
I think we've all lost like 1 point before.
mhm. Yeah. But honestly, I think I should have gotten more points for like the originality thing,
Yeah.
uniqueness. Because at like the beginning of the season, I made that like one drawing with the double reverse 4-bar and the 180 rotation. But yeah, it's good. I mean, at least I got second.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
how do you think about like the double reverse 4-bar having 2 slots for the claw?
For like the 2 slots for the claw, I just watched the video you guys posted
Mm-hmm.
and thought that was like better than 1 claw. And then I also saw that like Ben Lipper made like this video where he said the beam wasn't like really that good. He said like 4 more of the pins. So I just like did the pins rather than the beam. I know like beam was like a criteria in your scoring, but
Yeah.
I thought I'd just make more, stacking.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for you have a 4-motor drive base. So like in my opinion, I don't think that like 4 motors is really needed. I think we saw a lot of 4-motor bases today.
Yeah.
I think 4-motor drive was only needed last year because you had to get around an empty field a lot. But this year there's a lot of scoring objects, really similar to full volume. And in full volume, not a lot of teams actually used a 4-motor drivetrain.
World
Mhm.
So
Championship.
I think 2-motor drivetrain will be remaining like kind of the meta throughout the season, since you could
Yeah.
do a lot more. Yeah, 2-motor drive.
I was thinking at the back I could add a claw for the beam with the
Oh.
extra 2 motors.
Yeah.
Like I was thinking I could maybe do a cascade lift at the back with the extra 2 motors instead of the drivetrain, but I didn't know if I'd have enough length space
Right.
uh because it add the claw as well. So I don't know if it'll fit in limits.
How would
Sorry,
you?
Jason, I have to go real quick. I have to go.
Bye. All
You
right.
you can continue.
Get that. All right, Glitch. So how would you change the claw to make it actually work, like for beams?
Like I was saying, I'd add a cascade at the back. Maybe turn the double reverse 4-bar into a cascade as well, so it'll have like 2 cascades.
2 cascades.
Um, or I was thinking, how there's like this like structure in the middle to grab it. I can maybe add pneumatics on it, so it pulls it backwards, and it increases the space. So I'd be able to like get the beams, and then the pneumatics goes forward, adding the structure in the middle, so I can pick up 2 pins at a time.
Ah, that's very original and very smart, I guess. So,
Yeah.
congrats on winning second place. Your prizes will come shortly.
All right. Thanks.
All right. Thanks everybody for watching, and we will see you in another stream. Goodbye. And be sure to comment down what was your favorite part of the stream and what you would like to see next in the comments.